dagat pa. Babae! Hello Ray guys! Sobrang red meat ang sumalubong sa inyo agad-agad. So, the night before ko ito ginagawa kasi this will be our lunch for tomorrow. We usually do not eat rice in the morning. We usually have like a light breakfast like porridge or tinapay lang. So, this is for our lunch. Ito is karne ito ng kabayo. So, titimplahan ko ito guys para maging tapang kabayo. So, ito yung magiging lunch namin bukas and paparisan lang namin ito ng mga gulay or mga steamed vegetables or stir-fry vegetables tomorrow lunch. So, ito yung ipaprepare ko today. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng toyo, suka. Titimplahan ko lang ito guys para maging tapang kabayo ito bukas. So, kailangan overnight. Mas matagal na marinate. And yung gagamitin ko pala na garlic is yung mga garlic na nanggaling sa Haviki. Ito yung mga na-preserve ko guys sa olive oil. So, ito lahat ang ilalagay ko dito kasi mas masarap kapag mas maraming garlic. Abangan nyo to bukas guys. Sa lunch namin, ito yung magiging lunch, tapang kabayo. Ito na yung aking kabayo marinade guys, tapang kabayo marinade. Nilagyan ko siya ng soy sauce, konting vinegar, sugar, salt and pepper. Tapos nilagyan ko rin siya ng magic, ano ito? Soy sauce na, ano tawag nito guys? Ito ba? Yung Maggi na ganito, konti lang. Tapos, sobrang daming garlic. Ayan. So, imamarinate ko lang to overnight. Lalagay ko to sa ref. Tapos, bukas, this will be ready for frying. And, may masarap kaming ulam sa aming lunch. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Nakuha ko tong recipe na to. Nilagyan ko rin pala, na-mention ko ba na nilagyan ko ng, nakuha ko itong recipe na to guys kay Chef Rick, yung Pinoy natin na chef dito na nagwo-work sa Attendo. Tinanong ko lang siya, sabi ko, para lang palang adobo ang tapang kabayo kasi merong konting toyo tapos may suka din na konti. So ito guys, sobrang sarap nito and wala siyang anghit, walang lansa. Basta masarap. Kasi itong part din ng kabayo na to guys, itong karne. Last year pa ito guys na karne. Nakastore lang ito sa ref namin. Dinefrost ko today. So, meron pa actually natira. So, lulutuin ko rin yun next time. Sobrang lambot ng karne na to guys kasi bata pa kasi ito na kabayo. And ito talaga yung pinakamagandang cut din ng kabayo guys na inuwi namin sa bahay. Ayan. So, lalagay ko lang to sa ref. And this will be ready for tomorrow. Hello Ray guys. Good morning. So, ito na nga yung ating nakababad na karne ng kabayo na gagawin ko today'ng tapa. So, nagmantika siya guys kasi nilagyan ko siya ng olive oil, yung garlic na merong olive oil na preserve. So, yung ganito ko na garlic na meron ng olive oil. Kaya hindi ko na to lalagyan ng oil kapag pinan-fry ko. Tapos, meron din ako ditong carrots na nanggaling sa Haviki and yung beans na nanggaling sa garden namin. Gagawa ako ng, fried rice. So, yung kay Anika is plain rice lang and she will have her fresh carrots kasi ayaw niya yung rice na merong nakahalo na mga gulay-gulay guys. Gusto niya separate yung kanyang vegetables and she likes her vegetables to be fresh. So, ito is, ipapan-fry ko lang ito and we're going to eat our lunch. Ito na yung luto natin na tapa na kabayo, guys. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng fried onion sa taas. Tapos, kakain na rin kami soon. Mga unta, guys. Mauna ni ang among fried rice na naay itlog. Tapos, tapa ng kabayo. Nilagyan ko pala siya ng extra na onion, fried onion sa taas. Ayan, mga unta. So, ito naman yung portion ni Anika. White rice lang, tapos may onions, tapos yung fresh na carrots, tapos yung kanyang itlog. Is it yummy? You like it? Yum, yum. Ang konami nami tay eh.
Yeah.
It's yummy? Mm. You like the fried onions more?
Yeah.
Okay. How about beans? You want beans? No? You want just the carrots. Tapos dito sa table, guys, yung extra namin na mga beans. Yan na lang yung natira. The rest is kinain na nila Nico and Anika. Pagin natin si Nico, guys, na kumain na. Come on, let's go! Let's eat now. Are you done?
After this one,
And then it's finished. Oh, you're
I
so
already-
messy
I-
again.
I sit on listen, but it's there in the
It's in the
right.
cart.
I need to empty.
Oh, it's so full already. Hey, my bucket daddy is so far.
No, mga sir.
So not pillow, so it's my bucket is there. Oh,
Okay.
Nico did a great job. Thank you, Daddy. We have enough firewood.
Minute.
So ito na yung firewood cave namin, guys. This is our firewood cave, Daddy.
Yes,
It's
there
okay.
in the outcoming more. I think this is
This is going to be full. We need to empty
Second.
this side too.
in here is not coming nothing. The rest are coming out.
Okay. But yeah, it's so full already of firewood.
Hope so. It's
Hope so this is enough for our winter.
dry.
Yeah, there's a little bit
Wow.
space in here.
I think this get dry. It's just a little bit like a.
It's a little bit wet because
Moist.
it rained last night.
But I think it's
Yeah,
dry.
it will dry. Is it good? Yeah, it's horse meat. In my country, we call this tap silog, tapa sinigang itlog, but our fried rice have vegetables. Usually, it's just a garlic rice.
Okay.
Hello guys! Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. After lunch is kailangan lumabas ng bahay. So today, we're going to the river para mag-fishing. We will try our luck if we can get some fish. Pero kung hindi naman, okay lang. As long as you'll be able to breathe in some fresh air sa labas ng bahay, guys. Importante din yun na change of environment. Di palaging pwede sa loob ng bahay. And it would be good for Anika na lumabas talaga. Kasi dito sa amin, guys, wala talaga kaming kapitbahay dito na bata. Kasi sa countryside sa Finland, halos lahat ng tao is matatanda talaga. Actually, sa buong Finland, halos lahat ng tao is matatanda. Konti lang talaga ang bata. So, as much as we can, we take our time na ilabas talaga siya. Gumawa ng some kind of activity outside sa labas ng bahay para panibagong environment na naman yung makikita niya. So, kinukuha na ni Nico yung mga gamit niya, guys. And we're going fishing! We are now here, guys, sa river. And marami din talagang nagbubula-bula ba. I really wonder bakit hindi sila kumakagat dun sa paon ko, guys. You wanna go swimming?
Tomorrow.
Maglalagay na si Nico ng worm doon sa hook ko, guys. Uy, look at the worm. It's not big. Yee! Yee!
Maybe it should be cut the smaller one.
Yeah, this is so big. Look at that. Nakuha po na ng bitoka na. Ala! Patay. Ngilig kayo guys for me. Gusto ko naman yung worm, but I like it when they are in my garden. Not like this way.
No niin, ehkä katkaista tämän maybe.
Okay. You will cut it? Okay. Pinutol ni Nico kasi mahaba daw. Yeah. Okay.
Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Smell the perfume in the air. Loving how the days are longer. Sit out on the porch, dear. Tea is sweet like smiles on faces. Water's warm, so jump right in. In the pastures, horses race and breezes blow on your skin. Make it last as long as you can. Make the sunlight your best friend. Sleep with windows open and then begin again. Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Go out barefoot in the rain. Pick tomatoes and cucumber. You can eat 'em all day. Find a tree and sit right under. Watch the ladybugs take flight. Try and catch a four-leaf clover. Everything is alright. Make it last as long as you can. Make the sunlight your best friend. Sleep with windows open and then begin again.
Parang may kumakagat na guys kasi gumagalaw na yung orange. The fish! Yeah! It's ahaven! Yeah, we need to put water. Oh my god, I got a fish! Yay! First fish, guys! Yay! We have an ahaven. Ahaven ito guys na isda. It's a little bit bigger. It's a very good size. Look. Yeah. Yeah, it ate the bait so deeply. Yay! Is my bait still good? Can you make it like turn like one more side? Kitos. Yeah, I think it's okay.
Se on ihan hyvä.
It's good. Here guys, I got another ahaven. So nakadalawang ahaven na ako. Sarap pa naman na isda nito kasi sobrang malinamnam. Balik tayo guys. Hala, nasabit. Pero dito tayo, banda. Ayan. Try na naman natin. My worm, be good. Ayan na guys, ayan na. Gumagalaw na yung orange. Ayan na guys. Kumakagat na. Kagat pa, sige, kagat pa. Abay, ay, hala, oy. Nakawala guys. Boy, eh. Balik natin, balik natin. Balik natin. Kakagat pa ulit yun. Oh my God. Sayang naman. Ahaven din yun. I already got 2 fish guys. And it's going to rain. So, stop na ako. And, sini ko na mag-fishing kasi doon sa other parts ng river. Hindi na ako pwede magmamit nitong matuong. Okay, itong fishing rod na gamit yung worm yung pamain. So, ang gagamitin doon is yung virvele. Yung fishing rod na yung paikot-ikot ba guys. Yun ang pwede lang gamitin. And sini ko lang ang pwedeng gumamit nun kasi wala akong permit. Wala din akong virvele. Virvi. Basta, something. Yun ang tawag na. Lagay ko na lang dito sa video ano yung tawag niya. Pero yeah, nagsashower na, umuulan na guys. Ito na side guys, may dam. Ito yung Sahakoski Dam. Tapos itong dito sa right side, papunta doon sa dulo. Pwede dyan ang Matuongki. Pero dito na side, hindi na pwede yung Matuongki or yung fishing gamit ang tawag nito, yung worm. Kasi dito guys, kailangan na ito dito ng permit for fishing. Kasi dito, meron silang tinatanim dito na salmon and bigger fish. Meron dito. Kaya hindi na pwede. Itong dam na to, is dam ito ng Sahakoski. Sahakoski ba ito? Basta itong wood chip factory dito guys. So, hindi na ako pwede dito. Si Nico na lang ang mag-fishing. Pero dito na side guys, sa taas banda ng dam, pwede pa dito mag-fishing. So, sabi ko kay Nico, mag-fishing ako dito na side. Titingnan ko dito kung meron ba akong malusutan dito na hindi masabit yung aking fishing rod. Dito tayo na side guys, sa taas banda ng dam. Kasi doon na yung dam. Alam nyo ba ang tawag ng dam sa Finnish is pato? Ang pato sa atin kinakain. Nagkwak-kwak-kwak. Ayan. Pero dito, ang pato guys is dam. So dito tayo mag-try ng fishing. Kung meron tayong makuha dito na isda. Ay, gumagalaw na agad guys. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Oh my God, wala pa guys. Wala pa, pero may kumagat na yan. Nakikita niya yung orange. Gumagalaw na siya, oh. Ayan, oh. Hinihila niya yung aking bait. Ala, nawala na guys. Sige, kaon rin niya. Kinain niya lang aking paon. Ay, hindi pa guys, kumakain pa siya. Ay, itali ko muna yung aking worm ng maayos, be. Ayan na guys, may kumakagat na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na guys, kumakagat na. Yay! Sana naman. Hindi pa niya nakain guys. Hindi pa niya nakain. Or naubos na yung uod. Yan, pag bumaba na talaga yan ng maayos. Wait lang tayo, sandali pa. Putol na yung uod guys. Kakain pa yun. Marami siguro sila dito ba. Ayan oh. Makagat talaga. Ang fishing talaga, maghintay lang. Patience is a virtue. Got a fish guys. I don't know anong pangalan nito. Parang sarki man ito guys. Yan oh. Tatanungin ko si Nico anong pangalan nitong isda na to. Ayan. Umiikot-ikot siya guys. Ayan oh. Kita nyo? Oh. Parang gold ang color ba? Hindi man ito salmon. Kaya iba man itsura. Parang sarki. We get 3 fish guys. Dalawang ahab and I don't know what's the name of the other one. Is it it's not sarki.
Olisiko se säynävä tai semmoinen usual säynävä has these red
Okay.
evät ehkä.
Uh-huh. Yeah, they look so beautiful. They have very nice golden orange color fins and tails. Yeah, but we got 2 good fish and I don't know what's the other one. But we can make it into meatballs, Daddy.
No joo.
It's so strong.
Olisikohan tää säynävä vai ruuta? It's like very golden.
Yeah, it's very golden. It's a goldfish. It's a
Maybe.
goldfish. Oh,
Is it inside the gold?
maybe. Maybe this is the goldfish. We need to go release back to the
Or
water.
silver?
And will give us many gold.
Niin. No toi voidaan päästä, mutta ei päästetä ahvenia.
So dito na kami guys sa taas ng river. Dito hindi na talaga ako pwede mag-fishing kasi kailangan dito is yung may permit lang. So, si Nico lang ang mag-fishing dito, guys. We didn't get a very, very big one, guys, like other days. But it's okay. We just going to enjoy the nature and the smell of the fresh air. It's so nice. We will end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. We hope to see you again next time. Hey, hey!